Well, I really wish more people knew that every single day you can wake up and decide to do what makes you happy. You don't have to fall. It doesn't mean you don't do something. What it does mean is you do what makes you happy. You decide that one thing today is going to make me happy. Maybe it's going for a walk. Maybe it's going for yoga. Maybe it's spending time with your kids. But you wake up every morning with the intention that I'm going to do something today that makes me happy. And you do that. You maneuver your day to do that so that you not only teach others, but you teach yourself and you show the universe that you're going to do what it takes to make you happy. And the truth is, why shouldn't we be doing what makes you happy? And actually, I live my life that I only do what makes me happy. And I have organized things so that all the work that I do makes me happy. And you want to decide that for yourself too. What's going to make me happy today? What's going to fill my heart? What's going to make me feel joy and understanding? That is the true thing you want to fill each and every day with, is something that's going to make you happy. And then there's more happiness in the world.